Hi everyone, Sally again. This week, as you know, it's been baking week at Lowes and Montgomery Primary School and Early Years, and I hope you've been joining in and making lots of lovely treats. I'm not the best baker in the world, so I'm going to have a go at making a tray bake, a Tiffin tray bake. It should be easy, fingers crossed, and I hope it tastes lovely at the end. So I'll tell you now all the ingredients that you're going to need if you are going to try and make this like I'm going to for the first time. So the first thing is you need some sort of tray. Because it's not going in the oven, it doesn't have to be oven proof, but I've got this one, I'm going to use this. If it was a bit bigger than this, I think it would be better. However, it's all I have, so it's going to be quite a deep, thick cake, which I think is a good thing. So I've got that. I need unsalted butter, and we need 150 grams. The butter seems to come in packs of 250, so that should be quite easy if you have scales to weigh that out. I'm going to estimate, which is taking a guess. Okay, so we've got butter. We need digestive biscuits, and we need 400 grams. And the really good thing, everybody, is that one pack of digestives is what? It's 400 grams exactly. So that worked out nicely. You also need some delicious golden syrup. I've got this stuff here, and we only need about 4 tablespoons of this. There. And of course, one of my favourites, chocolate. I've got this chocolate, it's just Tesco's chocolate. It's not cooking chocolate because they ran out, but I read so many recipes and they all said that normal chocolate is fine. So you need 400 grams of chocolate as well. These bars are 200 grams each, so 200 plus 200 is 400. We're going to bash these digestive biscuits, so you'll need some kind of sandwich bag to put them in, and then how are we going to bash them? Well, if you've got a rolling pin or something like that, perfect, use that. I don't, so I'm using this big ladle. I think it should do the job. Anyway, wish me luck, never done this before. I'm going to give it a good try. Let's get started. Following my instructions that I found online, first thing I'm going to do is put these scrumptious digestive biscuits into the bag I showed you earlier. I don't think I'm going to be able to do them all at once, so I'm going to try some, and then I might have to do it in 2 halves. I might have to bake them up separately. By the way, you never saw me, but I did wash my hands. Very important when you're cooking and dealing with food that you wash your hands before and after, especially right now, boys and girls. Mine are all lovely and clean. Here we go, it's going to be noisy. I hope the bag doesn't burst. I'll have crumbs everywhere. Oh, that's doing the job. You don't want it too fine like a powder, but you want it broken up enough that it makes quite a kind of smooth mixture, and your syrup and your beautiful chocolate is all going to get mixed in, everyone. So you don't want it too lumpy. I think that's okay. Again, I've never made this before, so it's a first time for me. I'm going to get that tray I got earlier, or bowl, or whatever you're using. Oh yeah, they look good. Some of them are a bit big. Some of the bits like this are a bit chunky. I'm just going to go in, because I've got such clean hands, I'm just going to go in and scrunch them all up like that. You could probably do it all just using your hands like this, but it might be a bit tricky on your little fingers. Mums and dads and carers, this is really good for fine motor. This strengthens all those little hand muscles that we need when we're beginning to start to write and hold our pencils correctly. So this is a good way of strengthening those tiny muscles. Right, I'm going to do the rest now. It's going to be beautiful and thick, this cake. What I might do, everyone, to be really kind when everyone's all stuck at home, when I'm finished, because I don't want to eat it all myself, you know, I think I'll go round and give pieces to my neighbours. That would be a nice thing to do, wouldn't it? Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. Right, I think we're all broken up. I think that's us. Let's look back at my recipe and I'll see what the next thing I need to do is. Let's have a look. Okay, it says place 200 grams of the chocolate into a glass bowl, add butter, syrup and stir over a pan of hot boiling water. Okay. Right, here I have my pot and it's got water in it, just about halfway, and it's on the heat there to get nice and warm, and I'll put this Pyrex jug because I know that that is heat proof, and it says I have to put 200 grams, which is one of these bars, in there, get it all melted. Wow, look at that. I'm going to break it all up into little squares. There's 4. Half of 4 is 2 into rectangles. Rectangles again. Also good for those fine motor skills, finger muscles, hand muscles. Strengthening that. So the chocolate's in. Let's see, I need to remind myself what else it said. Add the chocolate and the butter. Now it said 125 butter. No, it's 150, sorry everyone. So just over half of this. Wow, that's loads of butter, isn't it? Just a little bit more than half of this block to go in and melt. That's half. It's just a bit over than half. Okay. I think that looks right. So we've got 2 tablespoons of this lovely syrup. Just toast in the pot. Yummy, yummy. Two. Now, be very careful. I'm just going to try and make sure that this all melts in together nice and gently. Mix and mix, and I should have a lovely buttery chocolate mixture. So I'll keep going with this and I'll be right back. As you can see, my mixture is all melted together now. It's all glossy and shiny and beautiful. And what you'll also see is I felt that the digestives were too much for one of these, so I've split it into 2 dishes like that. So that means I have to put half of this in one and half of it in the other. And I'm going to mix the digestives into that gorgeous chocolatey, syrupy, buttery mixture. Get it all mixed in. Make sure it's all coated. It actually goes down a lot once you add that. I wonder if I could just keep it in one dish. I think it should work. Don't get rid of your pot with your hot water in it, or your bowl or measuring jug that you melted the chocolate in, because you're going to need that again in a wee while. Get it all mixed in before it dries and hardens. There's wee bits going everywhere. Next step. Okay everyone, I've melted the other bar of chocolate. Oh, the handle's a little bit hot, so I need to be super careful. It's delicious. And I'm just going to drizzle it on. And spread it all around. Come on. I used milk chocolate. The recipe said milk chocolate, but if you don't want to, you can use other chocolate. You could use white chocolate. You could use dark chocolate, which is a bit healthier for you actually. flat. Now, we'll be wanting just to tuck in and eat it, but we can't. Look at like this now. Got chocolate in my face. Now, we have to find space in your fridge to put it in to set. So I'm going to go and do that, and then when it's all set, I'll bring it back out and I'll show you how it looks, and I'll cut a lovely big piece. See you soon. It's been half an hour. My cake has been in the fridge setting, so let's just see how it looks. It's very heavy, it's really cold. I'm dying to try a piece. Come with me. Cut a bit. Just get my knife. Remember to get your grown up to help you, because I've got a big sharp one. Just cut it right down. Oh, it's very hard. I think all that butter and all that chocolate has set in my very cold fridge. I'm not very good at cutting in a straight line. I hope I'm able to get a piece in. I'm just going to cut quite a small bit. I'll probably have to go round about the edge to get it out. Yeah, you'll definitely need grown-ups to help you with this. This is quite tough. How am I going to get it out? Because it's really set. Yay, I think I got it. Well, it's a bit crumbly, everyone. See? But oh yeah, that's good. I think you're going to really enjoy it. Now I'm going to let myself eat this piece. My husband's home soon. He'll have some, but the rest I'm giving it away because I'm going to be really kind and I don't want to eat all the chocolate. I hope you have a wee go, everyone, at making this cake. Very easy and very delicious, as you can see. Have a go, see how you get on, and I miss you so much. Stay safe, stay well, and I'll see you for another video next week. Bye!